Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to change the color of a folder on your Samsung phone. Let's make that home screen a little more colorful. First, just tap to open the folder you want to change the color of. Now look at the top right corner of the folder. You will see a color circle icon. Tap on it. Here a color picker will pop up. And from here just choose your favorite color. I will go with this one and the folder will update instantly. Tap done and boom, it's changed. While you are here, you can also change the folder name by tapping the text at the top. Make it match the new vibe. And that's it. Super simple. If you like this tutorial, hit like, subscribe and comment below what color you picked. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.